Hello, good evening, my pretty, lovely, and gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandar store to showcase beautiful pure Banarasi silk sarees. Let's start with the mannequins. Back to our collection. The sari which I am wearing is beautiful pure Banarasi sari. Very pretty black, stunning, gorgeous black with purple combination. Here it is. It's a skirt border, skirt design laga vachindi. In the middle we got this color. Very pretty color, and all over body we got very lovely florals, zari florals highlighted with meena. And very pretty curvy floral vines with silver and golden design, golden zari, rich kaddi with florals. Let's want to see the pallu. This is gorgeous pallu, cross kaddi with floral birds andi. And the blouse, complete brocade blouse. It's a floral jal blouse. You can go for any other blouses like this. You can team up like this beautiful and lovely blouses. And this blouse is from our brand, Art for Rupavani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive to the unique design. Any query regarding designing, just to ping us on 733 733 7000. And this saree pricing and details, let me give you. It's only 11,680. It's a pure Banarasi silk saree. U620 is the code. Just take a screenshot and do send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree, kada? It's another saree, and before going to the another saree details, to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandar page, to subscribe our channel Brand Mandar in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another saree. Lovely green Banarasi tissue saree. It's a golden tissue saree. Golden green andi with magenta combination. All over tissue and the floral buttas, zari floral buttas. Border is contrast with geometric style florals and vines and diamond brocade border. Pallu, complete diamond shaped floral brocade. Blouse, it's a contrast blouse with kaddi lines and border like this. The saree pricing and details shows it down. Very beautiful. 23,520 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AF490. white 23,000. It's a pure Banarasi tissue sari, complete tissue and silk, beautiful border, Jamdani style border, so many things and very pretty. Next sari. Wow, very lovely striped, zigzag striped sari, beautiful pink and orange red combination. Idantha thread and the floral zigzag weaves are border padi with paslays, side by side paslays, contrast red color border, pallu red color with antique zari, and everything is in antique zari, rich curry lines with paslays and downside temples. And let me show you the blouse. The blouse is contrast red color, plain with border, and the sari pricing and details. 18,144. Take a screenshot along with the code AF294. Do send us on 733 733 Next, I'm going to show you a very beautiful sari. Very lovely sari. It's a pale yellow, royal yellow with pink and red combination trio, and all over diamond shaped lines. Beautiful double borders with paslays. Green and pink, red and pink, along with the orange border. We got floral vines in the orange border. This is the pallu, reddish orange with paslays and floral vines border. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. We got plain border as well as zari border too. And the sari pricing and details. 20,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AG797. Superb quality, very lovely sari. If you want to feel the fabric, if you want to see more collections, come down to our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let's see another pretty sari, which is in sea green and purple combination. All over cross half curves, florals, floral buttas, chinna florals and meenakari floral, and the border is contrast with blocks, square blocks as well as florals, big florals. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade along with the big floral border. It's a contrast pallu, and the blouse is contrast with zari stripes and border. Too good, and very lovely combination. And this sari pricing and details. 24,880. Take a screenshot along with the code U471. Send us on 733 733 7000. Can we see the sari overall look once? Yeah. Let's see the sari overall look once. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And for customized, beautiful lehengas, designer blouses, and dupattas, to contact us on our brand, Rupamani, and the brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another sari. It's a lovely royal blue with pink combination, all over floral jal with gold and silver zari, and beautiful border with floral vines. And we got a pink edge contrast here. And this is the pallu, complete floral brocade along with the floral vines border. And blouse, contrast plain with border. So pretty, Annie. It's a contrast blouse, pink color, purple and pink dual tone. And this sari pricing and details. 29,040. Take a screenshot along with the code R894. And this is called as Kadwa Banarasi. The zari is too thick, so beautiful, very rich zari andi. And indaka nenu chuinchanu kada sea green saree with purple combination. Let's have a quick look. Let's see another saree. Pink and peach. Very lovely. It's a very light shade. It's a pastel pink. Peach combination. All over saree checks with floral buttas, and the checks were highlighted with green color thread and blocks. And border, rich kaddi in the middle, and very pretty florals here. It's a contrast border, contrast pallu with complete floral jal and floral border. Blouse, contrast with self lines and border. Saree pricing and details. 20,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AF486. Next beautiful saree. Bottle green and pink. All over floral, cross florals. With beautiful border, very big border, almost 20 inches. Pink color contrast border with floral jal with multicolor floral veena. Diamond brocade is here with downside. And this is the pallu, same as border. Blouse, contrast plain with saree price and details. 16,000. Take a screenshot along with the code U629. Saree. Red and green. Lovely floral buttas all over the body, and border contrast green color with floral vines and cross cutting. Pallu, it's a katan silk and beautiful florals, rich kaddi with florals and floral bunch border. It's a contrast pallu and contrast blouse plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 8,480. It's a katan silk. Very lightweight and soft katan silk. Next, pretty saree. Wow, nice shade is coming on. Wow, beautiful and very pretty blue. So good. Very lightweight. Chala lightweight undi. All over silver saree to floral buttas vachai. Border is it's looking like a work, but it's a weave. It's looking like a thread work, like kanta work. Everything is in silver zari, which is highlighted with silver zari buttas also. See, it's a weave. It's looking like a stone or kundan, but it's a weave. A bit different sari, and it's an edge contrast pista green. And this is the pallu, very pretty pallu. And this is the first time I'm seeing Banarasi sari like this. Beautiful sari. Wow, such a lovely blouse. Too good, too good. It's a brocade blouse, cream color with border. Just awesome on the day. Sari pricing and details. 15,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AG783. If you want to look different, if you want to look unique, just go for this saree because I never seen such kind of saree before. It's a new saree, very pretty, brand new saree and lovely combination. Don't miss the saree. Let's see the saree overall look guys. Let's see another saree before. Very pretty shade, magenta pink. Plain saree, curvy designed border with angels and curves, florals. This is scallop design. Angels, flying angels, beautiful florals, and very pretty pallu with zari lines and running scallop design. And blouse, pretty striped self color with border. Saree pricing and details. మనకి saree plain వచ్చింది కాబట్టి blouse stripes ఇచ్చారు. 16,000 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code C644. So, ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా blue color saree. Let's have a quick look. The blouse is too good. Let's see another saree. Such a pretty saree and a beautiful color combination. Yellow with wine color. Just a very stunning saree. All over zari checks, wine thread though. Wine color though checks vachayandi, not zari. It's a thread checks with wine color. And border is wine color. Beautiful butterflies, temples, round buttas, zigzag design. Pallu, complete cross stitch with florals along with the butterfly border, contrast pallu, and super gorgeous blouse. Self color blouse. It's a running blouse. You can go for this color blouse, plain sleeveless blouse. And the saree price is very soft and very lightweight. Saree pricing and details will give you 24,000. Take a screenshot along with the code L997. Saree, pink and blue tissue saree, heavy tissue saree with beautiful floral buttas all over the body. Border is contrast with cross checks and florals and beautiful florals in the blocks. Very pretty pallu contrast with florals and blocks along with the border, cross checks and floral border. Contrast pallu, contrast blouse, plain with borders. And saree pricing and details. 21,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AF492. Next beautiful saree. Parrot green and blue, pink. Very pretty parrot green and pink. cross diamonds with dotted buttas, meenakari dotted buttas, and lovely contrast border, very pretty pink with floral vines, florals, and this is the pallu, contrast pink color pallu, complete floral vines, blouse, this is the blouse, contrast pink color with stripes and border. Sari pricing and details. Beautiful color combination and too good. 27,600 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. It's a very light grey, very heavy sari. All over pastel buttas, gold and silver zari mixed, beautiful border, pastels in blocks. This is the pallu, complete diamond brocade pallu, blouse, self pleat with border, sari pricing and details. 47,120. It's a pure bridal sari. M43 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see the sari overall look once. It's a wine color with red combination Banarasi silk sari, all over floral buttas with leaves, and border is contrast reddish maroon with florals, full of florals and floral vines. Contrast pallu with huge floral motifs, and the blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 22,480. Take a screenshot along with the code AA621. Sari. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా గ్రే కలర్ సారీ, very light gray. Let's see that saree overall look once. So beautiful అండి, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంటుంది. And do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Siddhama, grey color sari. Have a quick look. Next sari. Wow, beautiful green and maroon color. It's a tissue sari, all over floral buttas, contrast border with intricate zari stripes, pastels and florals. And pallu is contrast with pastels and borders, floral borders, and the blouse is contrast with stripes and border. Sari pricing and details. 23,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AG770. Next sari. Wow, so soft. Beautiful yellow color, mango yellow with very pretty Yes, maroon combination. All over floral buttas. Very satin and chala pretty on the too soft and matter fabric. It's like satin fabric lag on it, but it's a pure Banarasi satin silk. And border vachesi mottham florals and stems ala vachayi. And this is the pallu, cross checks with diamond shaped floral buttas. The blouse, very pretty maroon color blouse with stripes and border. Sari pricing and details. Too good and child different on the sari. I just love this fabric. 12,800 only. Take a screenshot along with the code AG811. So fantastic. Next sari. Lovely pink sari. Just strikes laga vachayandi, lines, cross lines, and we got beautiful lions and floral vines, very lovely. And the border, deers, lions, horses, elephants, highlighted with Meena as well as Zari florals are, and beautiful cross checks and diamond buttas, and pretty floral jal with horse, elephant and deer borders. In the middle, cross checks with diamonds. And this is the blouse, self-plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 17,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AG775. Next, a pretty sari. Beautiful white and stunning red super gorgeous sari, all over curvy floral checks with leaf buttas in it. Border is contrast with floral vines. Pallu, complete florals, heavy florals, contrast pallu, and the blouse. Yes. Contrast red color stunning blouse with border. Superb ga undandi. Chaala beautiful ga untundi. Ee sari. Such an awful sari. Very gorgeous, very gorgeous. Sari pricing and details to Siddha. Only 13,144 andi. Take a screenshot along with the code AF476. Let's see another sari. Indaka chuinchanu kada pink color sari. Let's have a quick look. Next sari. Very pretty sari. Pink on the white bit of it. Wow, wine and red, maroonish red, beautiful florals with gold and silver zari buttas, and lovely contrast border with floral jar, maroon color. Pallu, full of floral jal and lovely pastellays, contrast pallu. Blouse, contrast with blocks and border. Like this, super pretty blouse. Sari pricing and details. 18,320. Take a screenshot along with the code S299. Next sari. వావ్, వచ్చేసిందండి నా ఫేవరెట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. టూ స్మూత్. ఈ సారీ అస్సలు వదలాలనిపించట్లా. ఈ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా అంటే అంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. సో సాఫ్ట్. ఇట్స్ గ్రే కలర్ విత్ డార్క్ మరూన్ కలర్ ఉందండి. బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ సూపర్గా ఉంది. సెల్ఫ్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయి గ్రేలోని విత్ డార్కర్ షేడ్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయి. And this is the beautiful, very pretty tanchoy border. Paisleys. It's a contrast border. Very pretty tanchoy pallu. Paisley borders and diamonds. Contrast pallu and the blouse. Self plain with border and lines. Running blouse we can say. But you can go with a border chinani, but you can go for this color. అంటే ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ మా సజెషన్ అండి. ఈ కలర్ ఎంత ప్రెటీగా ఉంటుందండి. ఆ కలర్తో మీరు డిజైనర్ బ్లౌజ్ టీమప్ చేస్తే కనుక చాలా అంటే చాలా గార్జియస్గా ఉంటుంది. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ సారీ. ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 27,600. Take a screenshot along with the code O941. Customized process, do contact us on our brand, Alpha Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. Next sari, it's a Banarasi Paithani sari. It's a mustard yellow with all over beautiful rose buds, dust. Border, Paithani border, rich kaddi with meenakari, peacocks and florals. And this is the pallu, contrast, rich kaddi, Paithani pallu with flower vases, lovely peacocks and parrots, florals. Blouse, contrast, red color with border, ironish red. Sari pricing and details 27,040. Take a screenshot along with the code AG809. Send us on 733-733-7000. Sari overall look of sari chusedam. Next sari, navy blue with pink all over, oval shaped, curvy shaped buttas, kaddi buttas, and beautiful contrast border with blocks, stripes and round dollar buttas with meenakari and zari florals here. Contrast border, pink color, contrast pallu, same as border. Stripes, checks and dollar buttas and lovely blouse, contrast, plain with border. So pretty. Sari pricing and details 15,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AG794. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా మస్టర్డ్ yellow with red combination marronish red. Let's have a quick look. Same sari. I have one more pretty shade here. Same style. Very pretty peacock blue. Next sari. Lovely yellow and navy blue వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ బనారసి సిల్క్. మనకి సెల్ఫ్ ఇలా స్ట్రైప్స్ వచ్చాయండి, సెల్ఫ్ కలర్. మీరు తీరిక కొంచెం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే క్లీన్గా యుల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద సెల్ఫ్ చెక్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద navy blue border with huge florals and stems, leaves and geometric style buttas, diamond shaped buttas. And this is the blouse. Pallu vachesi complete cross checks with florals and diamond brocade borders. Blouse contrast with stripes and border. Saree price 21,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AC608. Next saree, it's a peacock green and pink combination. Kattan silk, Banarasi kattan silk saree. All over floral buttas and beautiful border with mandalas and cross design with florals. Block, it's a window shaped mark vachi block vachindandi. Beautiful floral vines border. Pallu complete diamond brocade with floral vines border. Blouse contrast plain with border. And stunning saree, beautiful combination saree. Pricing and details 8,480 only. Take a screenshot along with the code S372. Next saree, red color, floral jal all over the body. Beautiful floral border and stripes border. Pallu complete diamond brocade with beautiful very pretty buttas, florals and leaves butta. Blouse and the brocade blouse with border, self color. Saree pricing and details 14,320. Take a screenshot along with the code AF471. Next beautiful saree, it's a grey and pink dual toned saree. Light ga magenta shade ala vastundandi. All over floral buttas, border floral vines border, beautiful contrast peach color border, cross kaddi and cross checks with floral vines and small floral buttas in it. And this is the pallu, cross checks and beautiful lotus buttas, lotus florals, and it's a contrast pallu and contrast blouse, plain with border. Saree pricing and details 17,200. Take a screenshot along with the code 0690. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, beautiful purple saree. Heavy, it's a very beautiful saree andi. All over floral buttas with vines. It's a border, zigzag border with florals. Pallu, zigzag design, complete zigzag brocade with curvy lines, embossed lines, curvy lines. And blouse vachesi self plain vastundadi like this, self plain with border. This is the blouse, self plain with border. Saree pricing and details 30,720. Take a screenshot along with the code M16. హెవీగా వస్తుంది అనమాట సారీ, చాలా థిక్గా వస్తుందండి, చాలా రిచ్గా ఉంటుంది సారీ. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ plain beige color with red combination. Plain beige sari. A beautiful contrast red color border, rich kaddi paithani border with floral only. Self color blouse, plain with border. You can go for red color blouse. Sari pricing and details. 18,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AD423. Next sari. Pink and green. All over floral buttas, medium size and very small. And border is contrast. Diamonds, geometric style వచ్చిందండి జామదని style with diamonds and florals. Beautiful contrast border, contrast pallu with geometric style diamonds and florals, and the blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 17,585. Next sari. Beautiful pink, very bright pink, complete floral vines, beautiful huge floral motifs and with meenakari and zari, multicolors, and lovely border with multicolor florals and rich kaddi and leaves, florals, chala pretty gandhi, and this is the pallu, rich kaddi and with multicolor floral border, and the blouse self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 42,960. Take a screenshot along with the code N98. Send us on 733-733-700. Beautiful sari. Sari overall look sari chusetta. Grey and pink with dual toned sari. All over floral vines though. Cross checks vachayandi. This is the border with floral vines and cross kaddi and paslays, and pretty pallu with munia buttas and diamond brocade. Blouse, self, all over buttas and border. Too good and too beautiful. So pretty and lovely sari. Sari pricing and details. 29,040. Take a screenshot along with the code R893.
No.
ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా పింక్ కలర్ సారీ. Let's have a quick look. Next sari. Lovely red and royal blue combination. Beautiful curves and florals all over body. Lovely border with cross lines, flying birds and floral vines. And this is the pallu, contrast with cross lines, flying birds and floral vines. Beautiful blouse, contrast plain with border. Very amazing sari pricing and details. 18,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AG781. Next sari. Very beautiful peach color patola style lo undandi Banarasi. Beautiful diamonds and cross checks, plan buttas. Border, paithani border with munias and meenakari florals. Pallu, rich kaddi with beautiful floral motifs, huge floral motifs and floral vines border with meenakari. And the blouse, where is the blouse? Yes. Self plain with border. Very pretty saree. Very light pastel shade, very beautiful shade. Saree pricing and details 15,360. Take a screenshot along with the code C26. Next saree. Wow, very lightweight. Bottle green and magenta pink combination. Banaras silk saree all over peacocks. Peacock buttas and lovely kaddi with meenakari peacocks and parrots. Curvy kaddi and temples and beautiful pallu contrast. Peacocks, florals and rich kaddi with motifs. On ఇక్కడ birds and peacocks వచ్చాయండి, parrots and peacocks, very pretty. And the blouse, it's a contrast blouse with buttas. Very beautiful blouse. Saree pricing and details 11,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AB259. Next saree. Very white, lovely magenta pink color. Stripes and beautiful parsleys, floral blocks. These stripes laga vachayandi. Border, a complete brocade border with pink edge contrast. It's a magenta pink saree, and this is the brocade pallu. Blouse, self plain with border. You can go for pink color blouse also. Saree pricing and details 22,080. Take a screenshot along with the code AF495. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Beige antique zari floral jal all over the body and beautiful kaddi border with pink edge contrast, and this is the pallu with antique zari lines. Blouse self plain with border. You can go for pink color blouse also. Saree pricing and details 14,720. Take a screenshot along with the code U624. So pretty. Next saree. Wow, too good andi. Such a pretty color. Pink color, bright and beautiful. All over polka buttas and rich pythony border. Rich kaddi with meenakari florals and leaves. And this is the pallu, rich pythony pallu with florals, meenakari florals. And the blouse, self plain with border. Self plain with border. Saree pricing and details 20,640. Take a screenshot along with the code AD427. Next saree. Very beautiful purple saree. Floral wine stripes all over the body. Border, floral vines. Pallu. Wow. Very lovely pallu with cranes and grass, florals and cross-curry border. And blouse. Self plain with border. Saree pricing and details 19,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AF472. Next saree. we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. And lovely red color saree with a skirt border. It's a plain saree with skirt border downside with multi-color. See here, the leaves the multi-color curves వచ్చాయండి. Downside అంతా complete diamond brocade. And upper side we got floral vines border. And pallu, rich diamond brocade pallu. Blouse, we got contrast brocade blouse. Yes, mustard color. Too good. Saree pricing and details. 21,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AG779. Next saree. Beautiful peach jewel toned saree. All over cross floral vines the checks with beautiful floral buttas inside in it. And lovely kadi and floral border downside. And pallu self with curvy brocade, curvy floral brocade, and the blouse self plain with border like this. And saree pricing and details. 11,360. Take a screenshot along with the code AG800. Next saree. Wow. Very beautiful kadwa saree, rich kadwa zari andi idanta purple color lo undi. All over floral vines to blocks వచ్చాయి. దాని లోపల మనకి floral motifs అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Beautiful floral vines border. It's a kadwa zari, చాలా థిక్గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. Cross checks with floral buttas pallu with floral vines. And the blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 51,520. Very rich kadwa saree. Too rich andi, చాలా rich గా ఉంటుంది. It's a bridal saree. Saree overall look ఒకసారి నేను మీకు చూపిస్తాను. Let's see another saree before that. And to follow us regularly on Instagram and Facebook with this Brand Mandir page. And to subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see the saree. Chala pretty ga undi color combination. Such a beautiful kadwa saree. Next saree. Lovely dark green. Muduru green antaru kada, that green. And beautiful floral stripes anamata. Very pretty saree. And border వచ్చేసి florals. And with magenta pink edge contrast. This is the pallu, zigzag brocade pallu, and the blouse is self plain with very big border. You can go for this pink color. Saree pricing and details. 15,360. Take a screenshot along with the code AF479. Next saree. Beautiful red and orange color saree. All over polka buttas and beautiful kadi border with geometric style florals and munia buttas. And this is the pallu, huge motifs, floral motif, along with the geometric style kaddi with geometric style florals and munias. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 27,440. Yes, 27,440. Take a screenshot along with the code AD426. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and their prices. Peach color tissue saree with red combination. All over beautiful floral motifs and meenakari zigzag design border. And this is the pallu, floral jal with meenakari zigzag design border. And blouse is contrast red color with buttas in border. So pretty kada, very cute in the border. Ila vasthundi saree blouse. Ikkada bond. And you can indulo manaku multi colors vache yellow, blue color, sea green ఏదైనా టీమ్ అప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇలా కూడా బాగుంటుంది. ఇలా కస్టమైజ్డ్ బ్లౌజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ బ్రాండ్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 23,000. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AF512. ఇది ఓన్లీ సారీ ప్రైస్ అండి. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ నెక్స్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ red satin silk Banarasi silk saree with all over beautiful floral buttas and lovely leaf and floral border and diamond brocade pallu and beautiful contrast blouse. Saree pricing and details 12,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AG810. You can team up like this, such pretty saree blouse and this is from our brand again. Saree, beautiful saree. It's a peacock blue with beautiful peacock booties. Everything is in peacock. And saree color kuda peacock blue and beautiful border, rich kaddi border with peacocks and florals. And this is the pallu, floral jal pallu with huge floral motifs, rich kaddi pallu, and blouse contrast plain with border. Too good kada. Saree pricing and details 27,400. 27,040 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code I160 and you can team up like this also. Satin silk Banarasi blouse. And that is from our brand again, R for Rupamani. Another brand from Brand Mandar which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. And if you work money, choose the collections of saree. Let's have a quick look. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Hope you liked our today's beautiful pure Banarasi silk sarees అండ్ మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000 నెంబర్కి. అండ్ దిస్ లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So you have 24 hours time for this biggest prices అండి. సో 24 hours లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు. 7337337000 నెంబర్కి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి. అండ్ you can come down to our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilees near Bandama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook as well as YouTube for more updates. Stay tuned to our Brand Mandir channel. రేపటి లైవ్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. Until then, goodbye. Take care. Love you all. Stay safe. Stay healthy.